Hey everyone, I am Ravishankar Gavhane, and this video I am going to show you something personally with AI appointment booking agent called Eva. Eva is designed to help user easily book appointment just by chatting naturally, no form, no call, just conversion. And the best part, you can integrate into any website, app, or project with very minimal setup. When someone's visit Eva, welcome them with a friendly message. Hi there, my name is Eva. How can I assist you today? Correct. Now let's see how it work. So, hey Eva, can you please book a dentist appointment for me next week on no, sorry next me for tomorrow morning around 1 to 12 in between for 30 minutes. Correct. So you can, yes, here you have successfully build it. Okay, I have booked the 30-minute dentist appointment for you tomorrow, October 14th, 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Correct. So here we can now let's verify the booking. We can open the calendar here and yeah, see 11 11:30 to 12 p.m. So the appointment is successfully scheduled. Eva automatically match the doctor available slot and confirm in real time. The kind of automation save a lot of manual work. No more call, no scheduling confusion. Everything happen instantly with AI. Okay, so let me explain briefly how I build Eva. So I use conversion logic integrate with the scheduling system in the calendar API. UI uses natural language understanding the extract key details like date, time, duration, and type service. Then the match it within the available slot to the database. Once the booking is confirmed, it can send real-time update to the both the user and the doctor service provider. The same logic can be used on not only the healthcare but also other industries like consultant, fitness center, automobile showroom, banking, telecom, education, and corporate office, etc. Basically, anywhere you need to smart appointment scheduling or automated customer interactions. Basic in so that how I build Eva, my appointment booking agent. It's simple, natural, and completely customized based on your business need. If you are developer, I hope this video help you understand how AI chatbot can automate real and if you are business owner, you can imagine how you can save your time and improve the customer experience. If you enjoy this project, you want to learn more about how I build AI based automation system, please like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to drop your question and comments below. I'm happy to explore and explain how you can integrate something like Eva and your own system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.